So welcome and let's start. So the first alphabet is W. And the sentences which we have got here. First one is, win or lose, but do your efforts. How many of you feel that the sentence is correct? Type C in the chat box and W if you feel that this sentence is wrong. All of you, please write. Win or lose, but do your efforts.
Okay, but my sentence is correct or not?
No. अरे हरिमान शांत रहिए, शांत रहो. What?
Okay.
बता रही हूँ वो सुनिए.
Yeah,
आप
fine.
अपना बताइए, आपको ये सेंटेंस करेक्ट लग रहा है कि रॉन्ग. अगर करेक्ट लग रहा है तो सी लिखिए चैट बॉक्स में, अगर रॉन्ग लग रहा है तो डब्ल्यू लिखिए. Come on, quickly.
Yeah.
Arimohan feels that sentence is correct. Sumit obviously feels that sentence is correct. Shivani and Krisha, please write C or W quickly. शिवानी आप मतलब फोन को एक जगह सेटल कर लीजिए, हिलता रहता है इतना. हाँ. Yes, Krisha.
I have already written walnut.
You have written your sentence. I want you to judge Sumit's sentence. Win or lose, but do your efforts. Is it correct or not?
Win or lose.
I want your opinion. What do you feel?
Okay. This one is win and loss.
I think it's correct.
Then write C in the chat box. Shivani, quickly, Shivani. इतना टाइम लगेगा तो दो सेंटेंस से आगे जाएगा ही नहीं.
Ma'am, according to me, I think maybe wrong. So
You just wrote C. You just wrote C. You thought it is correct.
Okay, yeah.
Huh. Oh. Come on, Shivani. You can hear me?
Yeah, hello.
हाँ शिवानी, you can hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
ये सेंटेंस बताइए करेक्ट है कि नहीं. विन और लूज बट डू योर एफर्ट्स. अगर करेक्ट है तो सी लिखिए चैट बॉक्स में, अगर रॉन्ग है तो डब्ल्यू लिखिए. My God, Prisha, right? C or W? Shivani feels it's wrong.
Yeah.
Prisha still thinking? Okay, she feels it's correct. All right. Shivani, तो फिर correct क्या होगा?
I will try, ma'am.
Okay, try Harimon.
Okay.
क्या ट्राई बोलिए.
लग रहा है इसमें कमी सी लग रही है और मेरा भी गलत है.
Or loss. You do. Effort.
कुछ कमी लग.
Chalo. Okay. Now I'll give you the answer to your sentences and tell you whether they are correct or wrong. Win or lose, but do efforts. And Sumit ने लिखा था do your efforts. तो हरिमोहन ने do efforts कर दिया. Okay. And I think no need to add S. No need to add S. Okay. Now I'll tell you. Sumit का जो sentence है win or lose but do your efforts is wrong. Okay. The correct sentence will be win or lose but make your efforts. Okay. Make efforts. Win or lose but always make effort.
Okay.
You make effort. Sumit, video on कर लिए. Meera, welcome. Meera Kannan,
Okay.
welcome. Meera, my God, let me tell you, I have tried to contact you like anything. आपका ना फोन लगता है, ना व्हाट्सएप लगता है, ना व्हाट्सएप मैसेज जाता है, कुछ नहीं. You're on mute, Meera. I can't hear you.
Ma'am, actually, I am working. My office hours is 9 to 5:30, and I am traveling 2 hours from Alleppey to Ernakulam. So, in the train, I am not getting the phone. That's why.
WhatsApp message also doesn't go to you.
I don't know. Maybe BSNL, due to BSNL. I don't know.
My God, if you even join classes, कैसे करेंगे जब you have such a bad network? मतलब I
Yes, sir.
spent so much time trying to
हाँ,
connect with you. See, I'll show you. Meera Kannan.
Yes. At that time, I
कुछ
yes,
नहीं
yes, I
जाता
know, ma'am.
आपको, कुछ नहीं जाता
Yeah.
है.
Maybe network problem, ma'am.
बाद में जब नेटवर्क आता है तब तो चला जाता है.
Hmm.
I've done voice call for you yesterday also, Sunday also. इतना आपको मैंने मैसेज किया है. 15 जून को भी मैंने आपको मैसेज भेजा है. मैसेज इज गॉन बट यू हैव नॉट सीन.
So,
मतलब whatever. हाँ, and
sorry for the inconvenience, ma'am.
you booked my tidy cal. You booked my calendar to talk. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, no, yes, you did that. So I have to
Ah.
talk to you at that time, and I pull out my time from my calendar to talk to you, but you did not show up that day.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Ah, yes.
Ah.
So please send me a message right now if you can.
Okay.
हाँ,
Okay.
ठीक है.
Okay.
All right. So welcome, Purvesh.
Hmm.
All right. So what we have here, win or lose, but always make efforts. That is the correct sentence.
Ma'am, can I ask you something?
Yes. Yes.
So the spelling of LOOSE lose, which one is correct? LOSE lose or LOOSE?
LOSE. Both are correct.
Yeah.
Both are
Yeah.
correct. But where? English is a funny language. As I say,
Loss or
English is
lose. What, ma'am, what a
English is
difference of loss spelling and lose spelling.
बता रही हूँ ना. सुनिए हरिमोहन.
Yeah.
Win, but make efforts. Let me give you the correct sentence. But always make efforts. Okay, this is the correct answer. Sumit, you got your correct answer. All right. Now, Harimohan ne LOOSE lose लिखा है, and even Sumit ने भी LOOSE लिखा lose. Now, LOSE and LOSE, LOOSE, these are the two words lose. So these दोनों ये words जो हैं, ये these are homophones. Same
Homophone.
सुनता है हमको.
Yeah. Same sound but different meaning.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Please
Okay.
switch on your
Okay.
videos, everyone. Purvesh, जरा चेहरा तो दिखाओ. Yes. All right. Thank you, Meera. So lose is gum jana. LOSE is you lose something. You
Ma'am, LOSS. This one.
हरिमोहन आप सुनते तो है नहीं.
Okay, okay, ma'am, fine.
मतलब आप मेरे से पूछते रहते क्वेश्चन पर आंसर सुनने का पेशेंस नहीं है आपको. हाँ, have patience.
Okay,
I'll
ma'am.
answer all your questions.
Okay, okay. I have patience. Just a bit.
पहले लूज पूछा, अब डबल एस पे चले गए. सो LOSE इज लूज. कोई चीज गुम हो जाना है. लूजिंग समथिंग. ठीक है.
Something. It means हानि.
हाँ,
खो जाना, खो जाना.
हो जाना. हाँ, जब मैं बोलती हूँ ना तो आप मत बोलिए साथ में. कोई मत बोलो, सो दैट
Okay.
बाकी लोगों को सुनाई देता है कि मैं क्या कह रही हूँ. ठीक है.
Yeah, yeah.
लूज मतलब खो जाना. आई थिंक आई विल लूज मार्क्स. ठीक है. एंड LOOSE इज ढीला होना. योर शू लेसेस लूज. गुमा नहीं है वो, ढीला हो गया. माई पजामा इज लूज.
Yeah.
अंडरस्टूड. तो
Yeah, yeah.
ढीला होना इज LOOSE. अंडरस्टूड सुमित? या.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And ये मेरे बुक में है सुमित, आप you have the book. This is there in the book. Chapter probably 6. I'm not sure. LOSE, LOOSE and LOSS वो भी है, लॉस भी है उसमें शायद. मैं कितने साल पहले बुक लिखी मुझे याद है. बहुत मेहनत लगी. So I'm talking about the book With English Be Distinguished. Sumit has my book काफी साल से. So these are the, there's one chapter जिसमें ये confusing words are explained. ठीक है. So loss is lose. Lose मैंने बता दिया आपको अभी. Loss. Loss is I am going to incur losses. Loss. It's the past tense. ठीक है. Lose. I will lose. I have lost. ठीक है. And I have incurred loss. वो भी past tense में आएगा. I have incurred loss. मेरा loss हो गया. मैंने lose किया, मेरा loss हो गया. ठीक है. समझ में आया?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Understood? And
Yeah.
lose सबसे easy है. Lose, LOOSE, ढीला.
Yeah. Okay.
नारा ढीला हो गया.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? Okay?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Purvesh, are you there?
Ma'am, can you tell me something?
One second. Purvesh, are you
I
there?
wanna,
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Okay. Are you at work?
ma'am, I wanna something asking you.
You wanna something asking me? Okay, go ask me.
Ma'am, what do you mean of all right just now after the end and at the end of the sentence? So what do you
हाँ.
mean of all right? Not a yes, okay. Like
उसका
this.
मतलब है सब ठीक है.
Okay, okay, yeah. Everything should be good,
All
I think.
right. Question
Yeah,
पूछो. सब ठीक है.
yeah, okay, ma'am.
हाँ. Okay also
Okay.
okay means the same thing.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Yes. All right. So you got this. Now I'm going to go to Sumit ka sentence. We have just worked on Sumit's sentence. Win or lose. Lose ka spelling is wrong here. Win or lose, but always make efforts. Next one is I'm
Okay.
watching cricket match is correct. No problem with this.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
won the
It's mine.
match. Shivani, फिर से full stop missing है आपके sentence में.
मैंने बोला तो था मेरा भी गलत है.
तो गलत नहीं है. Your full stop is missing. What is गलत in this? पहले तो आप confidence रखिए खुद पे. I have told you ना the 3 secrets to fluency. I have taught all of you all. Anyone who has come for the webinar. Confidence. Have confidence in me and have confidence in yourself also. पहले confidence.
Yeah, first of all, be the confident that
Oh,
after
भैया.
talking.
Hari Mohan.
Okay, ma'am.
When I talk, don't speak.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
किसी को सुनाई नहीं देता है फिर ना. Overlap
Okay,
होता है.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Raise
ma'am,
your
okay.
hand or you just ask me that you want to speak, then I'll stop talking. Overlap में नहीं समझ में आता किसी को. So you just have to put the full stop, है ना, Shivani? I
Yeah.
won the match. पर एकदम nursery वाला sentence you've written. You have to add something. Shivani, you're into 2nd month of the classes. कुछ और add होना है. आपने काफी कुछ सीख लिया है. ये ऐसा baby sentences में क्या मजा आ रहा है? I cracked open a walnut. Fantastic, Trisha. Very nice. Okay, ठीक है. All right. We are through with this. Let's go. So Meera is our is a new person with us in the free sessions. So we will ask Meera. We will honor her with a choice. Meera, give us one alphabet. Okay, you're in mute. Please unmute yourself.
Ma'am?
Hmm.
What, ma'am?
Give us an alphabet.
Alphabet.
One letter. Any letter.
Any letter? Alphabet. Okay. I'm not getting actually. I got stuck, ma'am.
Any alphabet. A, B, C, D. So we have finished W. Any other alphabet.
U.
You. Okay, nice ones today, huh? Unusual ones. So
Mm.
you have the word alphabet U. Everybody
Ah.
will think of a word with U.
Ah.
You will write that word and then you will make a sentence with that word. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, come on. In the chat box, everyone. Quickly. You wanted to ask something, Harimon?
Yeah, I'm writing the sentence. Umbrella is useful in the rainy season.
उसके पहले आप कुछ पूछने वाले थे? मैं उसका
No, no, ma'am. No, no, ma'am.
Okay, very quick. Very nice, Harimon. Umbrella
Yeah.
is useful in the rainy season. The rainy season बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है. Umbrella is useful in rainy season.
Ma'am,
Umbrella is
maybe
rainy
the
season.
ma'am, maybe an umbrella, right? Also.
Yes, an umbrella.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, Aha, Shivani, the universe is very interesting. Na begin kiya sentence, na end kiya sentence aapne Shivani. The is the first word of the sentence. It has to have a capital beginning, right? T
Yeah,
has to
yeah,
be
ma'am.
capital. And full stop. Again, Shivani, आप कितना full stop खाएंगी? Nowadays, Uber is most popular among people. Okay. Don't play unfair game. All right. Meera, nowadays, nowadays, you need to put a comma. Okay. Because you will
Okay.
not say nowadays Uber is more. You will say nowadays, a pause. Nowadays,
ma'am.
Uber. Uber is a name of a service. So, capital U
Okay.
is the most popular ride among people.
People. Okay.
Most
Okay, ma'am.
popular what?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Most popular ride among people. All right. Or
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
most popular
The
ride
uni-
for people on the road. Anything.
The universe is very interesting.
The
Useful in the rainy season.
now it is okay. The universe is very interesting. Okay, correct. Sumit says, don't play unfair game. Don't play unfair games, Sumit. Don't play unfair games. Trisha, have you written? No. Krisha is yet to, okay. I was unable to attend his wedding. Attend, I'm sure it was is a
Yeah,
mistake.
mistake, ma'am.
Yeah, it's okay. All right. So this was easy, everyone. No big
Yeah.
mistakes here, no great explanations required. Now we will go to Shivani. Shivani, give us an alphabet quickly.
Sorry, ma'am.
Shivani, give us an alphabet quickly.
A.
A. All right, so it is A. Your word and your sentence. Quick, 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 quick.
Amazon forest.
A comes every time. Ready?
Yeah, ma'am.
All right. Ciao. Okay, looks like good words are here. Shivani has written, the Amazon forest is very big. Good. Okay, Shivani, no mistakes here. Sumit, my mother is suffering from arthritis. Very nice. Krisha, I appreciate his dedication towards his passion. Very nice. Harimohan, an application for leave. क्या हुआ? उसके बारे क्या बता रहे हैं आप? An application for leave is incomplete sentence. इसको complete कीजिए. क्या? Application for leave what? Meera, amusement parks are open for kids at Alleppey. Again, Meera, Alleppey is a name of a place. Just like Meera is a name, you write it with capital M. See, you've written capital M, capital K, right?
Okay.
Yes. So Alleppey again is a place. So A has to be capital and your sentence has to end with a full stop.
Full stop.
Harimohan Kushwaha,
Yes, ma'am.
an application for leave incomplete sentence है. क्या बोल रहा है ये?
Okay, I'm writing the complete sentence right now.
Okay, I'm writing the complete sentence right now. Good. Okay. So, we've got so many sentences we've learned today. Zyada mistake nahi kiya, but the highlight I think today was lose, lose and loss. That was the main thing which came out learning mein. Yes? Okay. And it is time. We'll just wait for Harimohan to write. And Meera, I want you to stay back after everyone leaves. I need to talk to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And yes. Come on, Harimohan. Quick, quick, quick.
Okay.
An apple is good fruit for us. An apple is a good fruit. क्या था? क्या good? Is a healthy fruit.
Okay, but
Good मतलब क्या? खूबसूरत दिखता है, टेस्टी है, हेल्दी है, क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं आप? गुड तो बहुत टाइप से होता है. Good can be anything.
okay. So I'm understand. So
What are you?
That was
What do you want to say?
good means अच्छा fruit है हमारे लिए. It means
हाँ, तो हिंदी को इंग्लिश टक से कर देने से तो नहीं होता है ना. अभी गुड
Okay.
फ्रूट, एप्पल इज अ गुड फ्रूट. मान लो मैं मॉडलिंग कर रही हूँ, हाँ, मैं रेड ड्रेस पहनी हूँ, मैं एक एप्पल ऐसे पकड़ी हूँ. सो नाउ
Yes,
एप्पल इज अ गुड फ्रूट फॉर अस. करेक्ट?
yeah,
Yes?
okay.
क्योंकि विजुअली इंपैक्टफुल रहेगा वो. मैं रेड ड्रेस पहन के मॉडलिंग कर रही हूँ और एप्पल ऐसा पकड़ा है. करेक्ट? अभी कभी भी आपने माजा का जो एड है, मैंगो जूस का एड है, उसमें किसी को भी रेड ड्रेस पहने देखा है कभी भी? नहीं.
No, ma'am.
येलो ड्रेस रहेगा उसमें, क्योंकि मैंगो येलो है. करेक्ट? सो
Yes,
यहाँ पे एन एप्पल इज अ गुड फ्रूट फॉर अस. वो जो पीपल हु आर डिस्कसिंग दैट शॉर्ट विल से एप्पल इज अ गुड फ्रूट फॉर अस. बट आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं? व्हाट आर यू ट्राइंग टू से? गुड मीन्स व्हाट? ठीक है, वो आपको मेंशन करना हो. ठीक है. ऑल राइट. सो
is useful. Yes, useful fruit for us.
क्या करता है वो फ्रूट आपके लिए?
Yeah,
खेत जोतता है, क्या करता है वो फ्रूट? क्या करता है आपके लिए?
healthy
यूजफुल
food.
मतलब आपके लिए खाना बनाता है वो फ्रूट?
No, ma'am.
खेत जोतता है, करता क्या? क्या यूजफुल है?
कुछ नहीं करता मैम.
हाँ, तो यूजफुल मतलब कोई यूज में आए, वो चीज होता है यूजफुल.
Okay.
यहाँ पे यू नीड टू से एन एप्पल इज एन हेल्दी फ्रूट फॉर अस. एप्पल,
Yeah.
हाँ, गुड फॉर आवर ब्लड समथिंग.
Okay,
कुछ
ma'am.
भी बोलना है तो उसके आगे कुछ बोलना पड़ेगा आपको. इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है सेंटेंस का, बहुत मतलब
Okay.
इसका. अंडरस्टूड?
Yeah.
All right. So this brings us to the end of our 30 minutes.
Yeah. Has
Isha.
been done.
बस
Yeah.
इतने।
Yeah. How was it for you? Did you learn anything today?
Ma'am,
You,
this
ma'am?
was the first time when
Did
I
you
came.
learn anything today, Krisha?
Yes, ma'am. I've learned
what did
lots
you
of things.
What did you learn?
I've learned the words, how to use it, in a correct way, whether it sounds similar, but they have like different meanings.
Yeah.
And also,
Words like
yes,
this.
a few things.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Shivani, how was the class for you?
Good, ma'am. I learned my previous.
What did you say, Shivani?
मेरी जो previous गलती थी वो मैंने किया वो dot लगाना and first.
Previous. See, you keep coming for the. See, it's not something that you don't know, Shivani. You know it. I have told you so many times. Regular classes में भी बोला, इसमें भी बोला आपको. But this is what English is all about, everyone. It's not about knowing. It is about doing.
Yes.
Yes, you know a lot of things. Shivani knows that she has to put the full stop. And so many Saturdays I've told her, and she is a paid participant of the course. Even there, I'm telling her things. And फिर भी mistake होता है. So every time I keep telling her the same thing again and again, it will move from the conscious mind to the unconscious mind. उसके बाद में वो sentence लिख रहे automatically full stop आ ही जाएगा. So अभी it is still in our conscious mind. उतना practice नहीं हुआ, उतना बार टोका नहीं गया है. You know, I haven't told her enough. There will come a time when that will become automatic for her. This is what English is about. This is what you are looking for. Fluency in English. It has to become automatic. यही चाहिए ना?
Yeah.
Yes.
That is what is fluency. Automatically speaking correctly. Right?
Right.
Okay. So Shivani. Sumit, how was this for you? I think this was the first class for you also, huh, Sumit?
Yeah.
Sumit, जब बात करते हैं तो चलते क्यों रहते हैं? एक जगह बैठिए ना. जब भी बात करते हैं आप फोन ले लेके घूमते रहते हैं.
This is first time.
Still. First time, no?
Yes.
Yes.
I never joined any session.
Sorry.
I never joined any session. This WhatsApp group.
नहीं समझो. What did you say? WhatsApp group?
I never joined any free session.
हाँ, फ्री सेशन जब आदमी पे करता है ना तो ही फ्री सेशन में आता है. मैं बता तो रही हूँ आपको. मोस्ट ऑफ माय पेड मेंबर्स कम फॉर द फ्री सेशन. फ्री मेंबर्स बहुत कम आते हैं फ्री सेशंस में. Today we still have, more people, free people who are not paid members who have come. But normally it is more of paid people who come for the free session. You must come. इसमें different चीज सीखते हैं हम. थोड़ा different रहता है. Okay.
I'm all,
हाँ, हरिमोहन, बोलिए.
but I am a unpaid, I think unpaid, free of
Yes,
cost.
that's what I said. For the first time, I have more of free people joining
Yes.
than the paid ones. वो भी 2-3 बोल के गए कि आज they were busy somewhere. Anyways, it's just an observation. Nothing right or wrong. हाँ.
But I have
हरिमोहन,
a
आपके लिए
long
क्लास
time
कैसा था आज?
Yeah, ma'am, this class are very good for me.
Okay.
So I'm learned some words of English in the new words like loss about a different but same sound but different meaning is that. And I think just I want to ask you the word meaning is the newly right here, but I don't know who is writing this statement. But but I think I don't know understand is that. But classes are so amazing for me.
क्या पूछा आपने? हिंदी में आप पूछी मेरे से.
नो मैम, इसमें किसी ने चैट में एक वर्ड्स लिखा था, वो मेरी समझ नहीं आया.
कौन सा वर्ड?
अपली, पता नहीं अपली करके था कोई.
Alleppey.
LP या
Alleppey is a place in south of India.
Okay.
Alleppey is a place in south of India. That is why I told Meera to write Alleppey with a capital A because it is the name of a place. See, Meera, see the confusion?
Apply,
Just because
there
you
is a
use the capital A.
Okay.
Okay, understood, Harimon?
Yeah, ma'am. I think LP means there is a place that is we will play on the ground, I think.
No, you don't play underground. LP is a place.
Okay.
LP has houseboats, right, on the river?
Yes, yes.
Yes, it's
It's
famous for
it's
that. The
God's own country. God's own country.
in
Kerala.
Kerala, it's in Kerala. Yes, God's own country. It's in Kerala. उसमें houseboat, river में houseboat होता है, लोग vacation करने जाते हैं. That is that.
Okay.
You
Like
know,
a beach.
LP like that. हाँ, ठीक है? Okay. चलो. Now, last but not the least, let me ask Meera. Meera, how was the class for you?
Very nice, ma'am. Actually, I am unable to speak because I have not used in English. That's why. I
Yeah.
know the thing, but I am not aware how to speak fluently in English. Actually,
Yeah.
I'm working in a central government office. I can write everything in official things, but I'm unable to speak. It's some stuck up is there. And
Yes.
how to use had, have, has, this confusion is there.
All of that we'll work it out. That
Yes,
is what
ma'am.
is done in the sessions. We the
Okay.
next batch is starting on 25th, Tuesday. So
Tuesday. Okay.
yeah, we are starting, and that is what I was calling you for, to ask
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Because you
At
had
what
already
time?
booked my calendar. I'll tell you all that right now.
Okay.
So everyone else, I hope you enjoyed.
Yeah.
You can also invite your friends for this session. This is a free one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You can ask your friends, family to join. Free तो सभी लोग सीख सकते हैं. ठीक है?
Okay.
Yeah. So you can ask them to join or as well. And I will just let me know if they can join the group and make use of these free sessions. Okay. Chalo. Everyone else, thank you so much. Meera, just stay back.
Okay, ma'am.
Krisha, thank you for joining in again.
Thank you,
It
ma'am.
was fun. Next
Yeah.
time आप लोग ना baby words नहीं, better words use करेंगे. ठीक है?
Okay.
baby words नहीं use करना. अच्छा word सोचिए अभी. A से क्या अच्छा word आप बोलेंगे, B से क्या करेंगे? Start thinking. You have 1 week. All right?
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Okay, Sumit, thank you. I'll see you on Tuesday.
Okay. I want to leave this, ma'am.
Yes, please, Harimohan, you can leave. Shivani, you can also
Okay.
leave. Shivani, I'll see you on Monday. Sumit, I'll
Okay.
see you on Tuesday. All right.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Shivani. Okay. I'm going to stop recording this now.